Here is some way that you can use, some strategies that you can use to understand the cell cycle and control better. For example, during the CDK, during the G1 phase, you gotta think of the G1 as they're having a little bit of growth but not much. So think about as if you have your own car and you don't have any other car. However, during the S phase, there are going to be too many cars that come in, and then therefore you're in a traffic jam. And then mitosis, you think about when vehicles go faster.
Move it, people!
Cyclins. While you're on the road, you got rise and fall occurring in cyclins. So, when you do that, you see right here, this is how the process goes. Cyclin is heavily involved in it, including cyclin D and B. All you have to think about is that when there's a rise in cyclin, think about upbeat music. And the fall in cyclin, think about calm, soothing music. This is gonna be the rise. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then this is the fall. Rise. Fall. Rise. Fall. Now arrest mate. What happens is that P21 inhibits CDK4 and arrests in G1. Here's a good way to try to remember it.
This is Police 21. Come out slowly in plain sight. Put your hands up, Charles Daniel Kennedy IV. You are under arrest. You are in cell G1. Where is your great-grandfather, Charles Daniel Kennedy I? You are under arrest, Charles Daniel Kennedy I. You are to be in cell G2 immediately.
And then also, you got WEE1. Phosphorylase inhibits CDK1, arrests cell in G2. And here's a good way to try to understand that better.
Good afternoon, officer. Police 21. This is Austin Nintendo Wii speaking. I have found and arrested Charles Daniel Kennedy I. I've got him arrested into the jail cell, cell number G2, staff.
And then finally, the RB. It binds E2F transcription factor that controls cyclin C gene, and that therefore arrests in cell number G1.
I am from the RBI, Regional Bureau of Investigation. I have arrested CDK4 gang member, also known as E2F, Edwin Eduardo Fabio. I have placed him in cell G1.
And then that's some good ways in order to remember how it inhibits. Now finally, in the cell cycle control, that's when SCF comes in to release CDK4, and then CDK7 therefore gets CDK1 out of prison and progresses it, and therefore you got the APC, which degrades cyclin B and progresses from the M phase. The end.